Game can't find its code because of the Dsetup library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll show you how to restore that connection and start playing. While we cover the technical fix for Dsetup library, you can also find a professional utility to assist with workstation optimization. This DLL file is a DirectX Setup library. It is used by game installers to verify the system's current DirectX version and automatically install missing or updated components needed to run the game. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. The presence of the Dsetup library DLL error indicates that your graphics runtime needs attention. I recommend using the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime installer to fix legacy DirectX components, followed by a driver update to support any underlying hardware-accelerated files. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing the Dsetup library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Protect your workstation by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for the Dsetup library DLL, as most free repositories prioritize ad revenue over file safety, often leading to the installation of obsolete or harmful software. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. For users seeking workflow improvements, the utility below references maintenance concepts related to the Dsetup library. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching the Dsetup library today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.